Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So on today's vlog, I want to share with you guys how I do my wing liner, or my trick how to do my wing liner, especially if I don't have a time, I'm running out of time, I'm going to work, I wake up late, something like that. I don't have too much time, I don't have a lot of time to play with my makeup on. So this trick, it's helped really, this trick it's helped a lot for me, especially when doing wing liner. It's hard, you have to be precise how to do your wing liner nice and perfect, but I'm not gonna promise if I'm gonna do it perfect for this video, but yeah, this is my wing liner that I did today. So if you want to know how I did my wing liner, my trick how to do my wing liner every day, keep on watching. Okay, I'll be showing you first the things that we're gonna need for our liquid wing liner or liquid eyeliner, whatever you call that. So this is the tape, medical tape, whatever you call that. This is the first things that we need. And second is we gonna need scissor, and third is we also need liquid eyeliner. So that's what we're gonna need for our wing liner. So you know what, this is like it's cheaper, I think I got it from dollar store. This tape, medical tape, we call it medical tape. It's really cheap, only for $1, and it's last longer. So this is normally I do my wing liner, tape, scissor, and wing liquid. I use this pencil liquid, the liquid one, because I get used to it. This is help me easy to do my wing liner. So let's go ahead and start, guys. I'm excited. This is normally I do my wing liner, so it helped me do my wing liner easy and quick, normally, especially if I don't have a lot of time to play makeup. So so I'm just gonna like grab medical tape like that, and then I'm just gonna cut it. Excuse me, I'm drinking coffee right now. So this is something like that, long. Normally I use, and I cut it in half like that, and then I'm just gonna put it like here like that. Sorry naman guys kung late ko na na-discover to. So this is how it's look like. Hold on, let me fix it a little bit. So what I did is I'm just gonna put it on here. I think that's good enough. So after that, I'm start filling my wing liner. Okay, we're done putting the medical tape or whatever into our this part. So I'm gonna use this my favorite liquid eyeliner. By the way, this is my favorite, by the way guys, this is my favorite wing liner, and I usually use it all the time. So oh, my hands is like slightly, because I just put my hands lotion. My hands is so dry, I can't open it. I can't open it. Hold on guys. Okay, nabuksan ko na siya. I'm having hard time to open it. It's like my hands is so so I'm just gonna try to feel it here. Like that, guys. and then I'm gonna try to fill it like that. Like that. So sometimes if I don't do it right, I just gonna remove it and retake it again, but this is how it's look like. So I'm gonna go ahead and do the other side. So normally this trick is really work for me, especially if I don't have again a time to play with my wing liner. This is actually I do all the time. So I'm just gonna put all here too, like that, and I'm gonna go ahead and start filling the other side of my wing liner. And then after I fill it up, I'm just gonna wait a little bit, a couple like seconds to dry it, and I'm gonna take it off. So this is how it's look like, guys. I'm just waiting to dry it, and after that we're gonna fill it off. Okay, I think it's ready to fill off, so let's do this first. So normally if I do a mistake, I can just gonna take it off. So ayan guys, medyo may konting kalat. So ang ginagawa ko, re-remove ko lang siya, and then fix ko lang ng konti. So normally ito lang yung ginagawa ko. Mabilis lang naman siya. Pag nagkamali ka, pwede mo naman siyang, so normally ganyan. So ayan, medyo ang ginagawa ko, tinatanggal ko lang siya. Medyo may kumalat, so hindi talaga maiwasan yan na may kakalat. So ang gagawin ko, tatanggalin ko lang siya ng wet wipe, lilinisin ko lang siya. Ganyan, lilinisin ko lang siya. So ganyan, lilinisin ko lang siya. So ayun, meron na tayong easy wing liner. So this is how I do my wing liner, guys. So easy, and it doesn't look like perfect, but it gives those straight wing liner on this side. So yeah, this is how I do my wing liner all the time. So I use tape so that it's easier for me to apply it to my eyes, like that wing liner. So, and then of course after that I use a mascara so that it will give more my eyes more awake. So I'm just gonna go ahead and curl my lashes and put my mascara onto my eyelashes, and that's it for today's vlog, guys. Okay, that's it for today's vlog, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you on my next vlog. Bye everyone.